Hi guys, let's make my Achari chicken recipe today. This requires super simple ingredients, no toasting, no grinding, just super tasty, perfect for weeknight meal. I'm using a whole chicken. After dressing, it is about 4 pounds or 2 kilos. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of pickle oil. Mix it really well and let it marinate. As a quick tip, 1 kg of chicken is good for 4 to 6 people. I'm making some extra for leftovers. For the curry, use 1/3 cup of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, use any neutral tasting oil. Then add the Panch Phoran, which is 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of kalonji and half a teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. We're going to let the spices sizzle. Then add 2 cups of chopped onion. We are going to fry the onion until the onion looks pink and not brown. Then add 2 teaspoons each of ginger, garlic and green chilies. You can alter it based on your spice preference level. Add 1 cup of tomato and give it a good stir. Let the tomatoes get a little soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of haldi powder. Toasted haldi really smells very good. Also add 2 heaping teaspoons of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder if you want the color. Cook this mixture until the oil starts oozing out. Now add the marinated chicken. We are going to fry it on high heat until all the chicken pieces appear to be sealed. Sealed, in other words, means that the outside of the chicken appears white. It still needs to cook, but the edges are white, like this. Cover and cook until the chicken gets tender. In the meanwhile, we are going to take half cup of yogurt or dahi and then add half cup of water and give it a good mix and keep it on the side. We want the yogurt temperature to come down to a little bit of room temperature. Note that I have not added any amount of water. The chicken releases water on its own. Do give it a stir once in a while and then close it and cook until the chicken is tender. Check for the desired tenderness. You need it to be fork tender, like this. Add salt to taste and add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now what we are going to do is take the curry and add about 2 ladles of it to the yogurt. We are doing this so that when we add the yogurt, it does not curdle. Give the yogurt a good mix and then add it to the curry. Make sure the flame is on medium low at this point. Give it a good mix. Once you mix it, you can again bump up the heat level to medium flame and then cook it until the desired consistency is achieved. Take a teaspoon of mango pickle, mash it a little bit and then add it to the curry. Now you're going to mix it. Do not add the hard mango core to the curry. Mix it really well. Our curry is almost ready. We are going to switch off the flame and add some ginger juliennes and some peppers. I'm using jalapeno pepper, but you can also use some pickling chili. We are not going to cook this. We are going to slightly submerge the chili so that the chicken gets its flavor. Also, the adrak or the ginger is just added for taste, and the heat of the chicken is going to make it a little bit softer. This chicken goes very well with roti or naan. It is not a chicken with a lot of gravy. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.